I remember I was helping certain couples. Bekunenkonzo ngibizo ubaba utata Isaac I.N. Stoll.
Yes.
Lapha Davidton Oasis of Life. We were talking. When I shared my story, one person, no, I don't believe. The must, and then showed, no Nkosikazi wami ukaMakhuba. So I'm sharing my life with my late wife. Sure. And somebody stood and said, no. And I wasn't even very open about many things. But someone stood what I know. There must be something. There's no way umuntu ophila angabekezelela lezinto
for such a thing.
You know, if I unfortunately I have nothing to gain by lying. Number one,
Azimpostoli isikhathi siyaphoqa kanti ngisafuna ayisile kukhona umbuzo ofika la enqondweni yami since nje ubuthinta lonto le kanjalo. There is someone, I will ask this question on behalf of someone oshadile unobizo but he feels ukuthi umshado wakhe is against ubizo lakhe. Angenza njani?
Siba, it's a difficult thing because you see uNkulunkulu a covenant of marriage is a covenant of marriage. Yabo? Akukho la kuthiwa ushade umuntu wrong khona. When you get married, you are expected to honor the covenant either way. So angeke ukwazi ukuthi hayi lo mshado udisturb ubizo lwami ngiyaphuma kuona. You can't. You're not allowed to do that. You see? So unfortunately they may have to lo muntu lo akazame ukufaka abantu abadala who can help in the process. Maybe they've already done that. Unfortunately, sometimes even when we've done that, things still don't work out. Ijogo zomela ulithwale. Yabo, ijogo zomela ulithwale. Impilo yakho yonke. Because remember, uNkulunkulu ubheke i-covenant. You see me now, I'm not in a covenant with my wife. I'm in a covenant with God about my wife.